Hey guys! Oh wait. Hey guys! It's Strange Gamers again, and I actually, why am I uploading this video so fast? But guess what? I'm actually playing Scrap Mechanic again. Holy crap, Scrap Mechanic is on fire today. But guess what? You guys don't really have to actually, tell me how to make a walking trailer that would actually go up and down, because I've already figured that out. I just needed to do that, and the thing is connected inside of there. And things should ever try kind of slip out. It would actually oh crap. See, it would actually just do that. See, that's what would happen. And I need to break. Oh, no, not this one, app. No, not this world. Help. Run, go, back up. Yeah, but it's a pretty good, most people are actually using this. So I decided I need to use it. Yeah, only problem with trailers is that when you try to back up, the dang thing, it just goes insane. Holy crap. I can barely back up right now. Oh god.
That trailer really is a jelly turd. Bend.
So, yeah. So, last two episodes, we checked out the smart car, the forklift, and then this Jeep. And guess what? Now it's time to get this thing showcased. So, basically, what you do is, of course, you open it up. Plus, there's a huge mistletoe on the back. And I don't know how, for some reason, this thing doesn't like to turn. Also, for some reason, tablet mode is on. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, so. Yeah. So, I have literally no idea how to actually make this thing turn, because it's kind of screwing me up. At least you'll actually be able to see it drive. But yeah, so button 1 does the turret. Bang, yes, they're pretty huge. And then button 2 does the door. Button 3 does the door, as in the second door. And then you can actually do that. No, I don't really know. Oh, hello. They're both not even at the same spot. Whatever. Oh, never mind. But guess what button 4 does? You guys can already guess. It's something from the Jeep. And then the smart car. Yep, it's of course a horn. But the only way I can turn this is if I Oh! Oh, I just realized why the thing isn't turning at all right now. Hold up. Also, yeah, if you look under this thing, you can see that it has a heavy load of suspension. But I'm gonna have to get this. Ah! Crap! What the fringe?
Oh.
Alright, so crap! Here it comes! And bang! Oh. This is what I have to deal with. This is actually what I have to deal with right now. You know what? Hang on. I got an idea. What the heck? Stop clicking out of the game.
Jeffrey, you have time?
Yeah.
Oh.
I've been doing this for like 7 minutes. But why in the world?
Computer screen only. Are you videoing? Yeah. Friends? Gamers? Are you videoing?
Yeah. So guys, I guess right now I'll just take the time to actually add like some more wheels on the inside of the truck. But yeah, this thing uses a load of suspension. And I swear, I do not know how or why the dang thing is. But yeah, oh my god. Ew. Crap. You know what? Let's just test it.
Josh, let's do. Nanny, Josh, let's do.
Peekaboo. Okay, guys. You know what? I've been recording for like 10 minutes. I guess. So that's basically all about this. But let me know in the comment section below how I could actually improve this thing. Tell me if I should just put something else on the front instead of a plow to make the thing a lot lighter. Tell me if I should get rid of the plow and put something else on. But oh wait, hold up. You know what? I'm just gonna kind of Mad Max this. And ooh, this is good. This is probably gonna be good. But I think I'm just gonna Mad Max this and like add some cool stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of Mad Max the front wheels. Oh crap, I missed it! Oh, what the heck? Yeah, I just Mad Maxed that front tire, except now it's time. Oh crap, I only have like 3 minutes left, so I need to hurry. But yeah, guys, remember to leave in the comment section below how I could actually improve that suspension under there, except make the thing actually turn too. And what I should build. Remember to make it an easy build. But yeah, I guess I will. You know what? That's it. I guess so. Hey, okay, so hang on. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face, like Jacksepticeye would, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.